Honeywell Thermostat Installation from beginning to finish. #1 training video. Let's get to work. After the power has been turned off, remove the cover of the old thermostat. Now, 2 Phillips screws, one on the top, one on the bottom. Remove them both. On the back of the old thermostat, there will be flathead screws attached to the little wires. Remove all of the flathead screws from the wires. Then, with your wire strippers, prep the wires for the new installation. A great way to help this channel grow and get more great training videos is to like and subscribe. Plus, be sure to check out the links below for products and supplies. After removing the wall plate from the new thermostat, you will notice that on the wall plate there are tiny flathead screws that require an extra small flathead screwdriver. Loosen the screws according to the wire colors that you are going to need. Pull the wires through the wall plate . Now you will notice that there are little holes on the very top of this black plate. You will press the wires through the holes and then tighten the wires with the little miniature flathead screws. Now you are ready to attach the wall plate to the wall with these Phillips screws. Now place the new thermostat top first and then the bottom. Then press and you should hear a click. To adjust the temperature, select your temperature and then press hold for about 2 seconds. Now you can play around with the pre-programmed settings. In this particular model, you can program 5 days during the week to come on at a particular time and shut off at a particular time to set temperatures. Then on the weekend, you have the option of doing the same for those 2 days as well. So 5 days is one setting, and then 2 days is another setting. You can also have the thermostat turn to a particular temperature early in the morning and then go down to a different temperature in the afternoon. Lots of variables, just play around. After you're all done, turn the power back on, and in a minute or so, the heater should kick on and start functioning properly if everything is set up appropriately. If this training video was of any value to you, please like and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.